Hi guys, my name is Farrah and welcome back to my channel Beyond the Female. Today I'm going to show you how you can get your hair like this, very defined and curly, instead of it being a frizzy mess. I hope you enjoy this video. Also, don't forget to follow my social media links, I will put them up here. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you would like to be the first to be notified when I put out a video. Now let's get started. So this is what my hair looks like at the moment when it's up. As you guys can see, it's just like a big fluff ball. And this is what it looks like at the moment. So it's just really frizzy, there's no definition or anything. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go and not wash my hair, but I'm going to put water in it and make sure it's basically just damp really, and make sure all of my hair is covered in water. So this is what it looks like at the moment. It's literally just damp and I haven't put any shampoo or conditioner in it, and now I'm just kind of patting it dry because it's a bit more softer than rubbing it. So this is what it looks like at the moment. So it's kind of brought all the definition back into my hair, like all the curls, you can kind of see them, but we want it more curly. So the first product I use to kind of like, because my hair's wet, and what I do is I layer my products. So the first product that I use is this, and it is the L'Oreal Style and Sleek hair serum that you can put on wet hair. Is I rub that through the ends, but I mainly focus it on my fringe because my fringe is probably the most frizziest thing. Like the front part of my hair, this section is always so frizzy. So once that is done, I then go in with this, and this is my Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. I'm not really sure what my curl type is, but it's really good for people with just kind of like loose curls. It really defines them. So I take quite a big bit on my hand. What I normally do is I work from the bottom up to the top. So I put it all in my hair, and then I will kind of like rake it through. I do focus on my fringe a lot because this is kind of the portion that gets really frizzy and really big when my hair dries. Well, because all of that product is in my hair now, what I normally do is I take my fingers and I basically fluff out the curls. And I will place my hair in the type of style that I want it to kind of set in. I try to make sure I get the back as well, just so it's not flat to my head. If I've got a little bit left over on the palms of my hands with that product, I just scrunch my hair at the bottom of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go do some work, and then I'm going to come back on here when my hair is completely dry, and you guys can see what it looks like when it's all dry and set, and then how I kind of style my hair. Normally if I'm in a rush, what I'll do is I'll get my hair dryer and I will scrunch my hair and dry it. But because I'm staying in today and I'm not going out, so I don't have to worry about my hair being wet, I'm literally just going to let it air dry, and then I'm going to come back on camera when it's all dry. So it's been like an hour later and this is my hair. It's completely dry, 100% dry. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I haven't touched it at all. I'm going to show you guys how I style it. What I tend to do is, because my hair is very short and it's still growing, I like to make it look a little bit longer. So how I do that is I rake the bottom of it and I basically try to pull out as many curls as I can, the bottom layer of it. So as you can see, it makes my hair look a little bit longer. Basically just pull out the rest of my curls. What I'm doing is I'm just kind of shaking it. I'm not really like pulling apart any of the curls or anything. So yeah, I basically just pull out all my curls and make it a little bit bigger, because normally what happens when my hair dries is it kind of dries backwards. So I like to pull more around my face just to frame my face a little bit. It's basically how I style my hair, my curly hair routine. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys so much for watching.